Yeah. This is more than a brand, more than a name. It's a whole way to live. From the first idea to the last page you read. HowExpert A to Z.
Started with a dream and a beat up scream. One mind, one grind, one wild unseen scheme. BJ in the lab, just a notebook chair. Dropping ebooks in the night like nobody was there. 07 hustle, low funds, big faith. Trying to carve a little lane in this info space. Everyday experts with a story to tell. Real world skills, no ivory-tower shell. Keep it simple, keep it clear, step by step for the rest. Make a path for the people who just wanna do their best. That's the seed, that's the spark, that's the start of the art. Then HowExpert lit up, put a flame in the dark. If you ever felt lost in the noise and the rush, trying to find your way while the world says hush, there's a guide, there's a map, there's a voice that's free. HowExpert showing you who you can be. From the lows to the highs, every win, every scar. You can learn, you can grow, you can reach that star. When you read, when you grind, you're not alone in the fight. We're just turning on the knowledge, you're the one with the light. A to Z, pick a lane, we don't run out of roads. Every skill, every craft, every passion explodes. From drawing anime lines to the clouds in the sky. From beatbox rhythms to the books you write. From fitness and food to careers you chase. From side hustles growing into something you face. From travel hacks, languages, pets and dreams, to niche little hobbies that still light up your scene. It's the bookstore for the curious, the shy and the bold. For the kid with a vision, for the heart growing old. Whatever chapter of life that you're trying to improve, there's a guide on the shelf saying here's your next move. Put the headphones on, let the outside fade. One page at a time, watch your whole life change. Lo-fi beats with a paperback glow. Turn the volume up on the things you know. We just learn, we just grow in the silence, in the flow. Every line, every note, every book you see, it's another little key to who you can be. We just learn, we just try, keep the vision in your eye. From the couch to the desk to the late night read. Yeah, that's the HowExpert energy. No shortcuts, just smart cuts, that's the code. Upgrade your mind and you upgrade the road. Success ain't a miracle, drop from the sky. It's 1,000 little lessons that you choose to apply. Build skills, stack bricks, keep the pressure aligned. Turn fear into fuel, leave the doubt behind. It's the long game, no fame, just steady intention. Every habit is a vote for the life you're inventing. What if everybody learned just one more thing? Every day, every year, feel the change that brings. Whole world full of people with their gifts turned on. Less hate, more craft, more right than wrong. Shout out to the readers, the dreamers, the crew. To the ones who keep searching for a better you. To the fans who see the name and feel that spark. Who know one little book can ignite the dark. And to the founder in the lab watching this thing climb. Looking back at the grind every long late night. From a single PDF to a global shelf. From can I really do this to yeah, I built this myself. Now it's humans plus AI, new era, same soul. Same heart for the learner, just a bigger set of tools. From the first upload to the last page read. It's a promise to the world, we'll keep you fed always. A to Z, learn your life, set your spirit free. Every topic, every path,